A very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be covering today will be Namaste Trump, and this will be the 33rd lecturate of the series. Along with the topic, I'll be covering some historical facts regarding Sabarmati Ashram, Motera Stadium, and Taj Mahal that will be useful in competitive examinations like CDS, SSC, and many other. Coming to the topic, it was a 2-day visit. Earlier it was supposed to be a 3-day visit, but the schedule was changed and the visit was between 24 February 2020 to 25 February 2020. The main event was organized at Motera Stadium, that is in Ahmedabad. Motera Stadium was renovated and it has become the world's largest cricket stadium. Moreover, Donald Trump, the President of America, inaugurated the Motera Stadium. Apart from that, the first ODI at Motera Stadium was conducted in the year 1984. Along with his visit to Ahmedabad, Donald Trump also visited Sabarmati Ashram, which was built on 17 June 1917, and also visited Taj Mahal, which was built between 1632 to 1653. Moreover, there were many defense deals and nuclear cooperation deals which were signed between both the countries, and this included Romeo and Apache helicopter for Navy and Air Force, and around 3 billion defense agreement has been reached between India and America. Moreover, in his address to the gathering at Motera Stadium, Trump named Quad Dialogue. The Quad Dialogue is conducted between 4 countries, that is Japan, Australia, India and America. In his address, the main emphasis was to bring code of conduct in the South China region, that is the South China Sea, which is being dominated by China. Both the countries have also planned to sign free trade deal, though it has not yet been signed, and moreover USA is having around free trade agreement with 20 countries. Both the countries have agreed for energy cooperation during Trump's visit, and we must know the fact that USA is the 6th largest oil supplier to India. Now USA has also become the largest trading partner of India, surpassing China. Now basically there is a positive trade deficit which is going between between USA and India compared to China and India. Now basically we are completely dependent on China for their products. Their imports is of their exports. China's export to India is of around 71 billion USD, whereas India's export to China is just around 17 billion, and there is a very large trade deficit between both the countries, and this is a negative trade deficit. Now if we consider the same example with America, we import around 35 billion and export around 54 billion. So there is a positive trade deficit which is mostly required for self-development and self-dependency, that is Atmanirbharta. And in this manner, since we are exporting large amount of products to America, USA has become the largest trading partner of India, surpassing China. Moreover, India's Nuclear Power Corporation has also signed deal with Westinghouse Electric, an American company, for construction of 6 nuclear reactors. Well, around 120 crores were spent on Donald Trump's visit to India, and we must also know the fact that previously last year even our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji was invited to America in Texas event, that is Howdy Modi program, and this particular event will also bring a diplomatic and a better diplomatic relation between both the countries, with so many deals being signed. And since USA is also the largest trading partner of India, it is very much important that USA and India establish a good relation between both the countries. Now if you consider the recent news, when India had banned the export of 26 drugs that included hydroxychloroquine, then in a press briefing USA has mentioned that India is having a good relation with USA and in case India doesn't want to export hydroxychloroquine, then it's their choice, but India might face a retaliation. Now on this comment, India cleared its exports. Like for example, earlier there were many deals which had already been signed. India used to export hydroxychloroquine previously as well, so India planned to export the existing deals, and it did not allow taking up of new deals. Now moreover, one more thing was in the news, that people said that the White House has unfollowed the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, and many different government offices and many other departments on Twitter. And the American from the America side, there was a press briefing which stated that before any visit to a country, whenever an American president goes on a visit to some country, before itself they start following up the country's departments and various ministers, and once the visit is completed, they unfollow them. So this is a normal routine for America, and people started presenting it like there is a very people started presenting it in the most wrong manner, stating that US is not happy with India, or there is a better relation between going US and India. But that was not the fact. It was a normal routine checkup, normal routine which was done by the US. So moreover, India has also always followed the non-alignment policy, which states that there is no friend and foe in international relation, only permanent interest exists, and the permanent interest over here is the highly equipped equipments for the armed forces, highly equipped weapons for the armed forces, and the positive trade deficit between both the countries. So I hope this topic would have been useful, and in case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.